Hello and welcome. Thank you all for watching. My name's Spencer Smith from Tornado Recycling, and today we're going to look at some of the key features and benefits of the Tornado Recycling software. These are a few of the scrapyards, recycling facilities which use our system, and we're completely trusted by all of these brands, and a lot of these companies recommend us to other companies within the recycling sector. We work with small scrapyards ranging from, a small family business, 1 or 2 employees, right up to large recycling facilities and organisations that turn over in excess of £50 million. So let's look at the history of Tornado Recycling and who we are and what we do. Our sole purpose is to be the ultimate scrap metal compliance software, providing a very, very simple and easy to use bit of software that enables you to store all your ID, comply with Operation Tornado and the Scrap Metal Act of 1964, and to easily pay all your customers in every way possible. Whatever payment solutions are expected to come out, we've developed that, and we've planned ahead ready for that as well. We've got a team of world-leading database programmers and developers, experienced legal professionals and marketing experts, and we work very closely with a number of scrap metal recycling consultants across the industry. Our team is completely dedicated to providing a on-site bespoke installation. We carry out all the training ourselves. I personally get involved on the shop floor, doing a lot of the training and dealing with the clients face to face, and I find that's the best way to do business. So what we're going to look at throughout the course of this video is some of the key features and benefits and how unique Tornado is in the industry, and why we've managed to grow so quickly across the industry. First of all, our software is completely compatible with any device, anywhere on any device. We cover the whole of the UK currently, and we have a number of projects we're working on across Europe. And we've also developed our software so that there's as little typing as possible. Many of our clients are not used to computers and they're not at all used to technology in any way. So we've developed a unique system that enables us to upload, store and manage all the IDs, all the customer accounts with a simple touch of a button. Okay, so let's take a look at the system in action. Adding suppliers in seconds, making payments in seconds. Let's just see it in action for ourselves.
What you got on? Radio. What's the name, mate?
Stephen Pickford.
How's things, mate? You busy?
So, how are you doing?
Not too bad. There, mate. Payment's all done. There's your receipt. Funds will be on there in seconds, mate, so whenever you're ready. Sorted. See you again.
Okay, so now you've seen it in action, let's have a quick look at the ID management side of things. Let's look at the suppliers. Very, very simply, when you click on suppliers, you get a list of all your suppliers. You can see at a glance the ID. You can see whether they're compliant or not, and obviously you can take necessary action to keep that particular supplier account up to date. You can also contact your supplier by sending them an SMS, a text message through this portal here. You can issue a new credit card to them here. You can upload the ID here. So say for example if Amy had some new ID and she wanted a KYC credit card, if we browse for her new ID, and we'll use this example driver's license here, this is how the system works. It will upload the ID and store it securely for you. Here it is populated in the background, and what the system is doing now is extracting all the information off there, which we're going to use, and it's filled it all in for you automatically. Like I said, a lot of my clients are not computer literate. They've never used a computer before, so typing is a big problem. Spelling for most of my clients as well, including myself, is not my strongest point. So to have that technology where the data is extracted off the ID makes everyone's life a lot easier. So that's how we store and how we create an account in seconds with as little typing and as little hassle as possible. So click on suppliers, press new supplier, and then what we're going to do is locate the file, driver's license example, press driver's license, and the system will now do the rest for us. So the driver's license has been scanned and all the data is being taken off the driver's license, put into the right field, and that account is now open. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is paying your customers. How can we pay and ensure that there's a legal audit trail so you can see at a glance what your customers have had, and if there was an investigation carried out with regards to metal theft or HMRC, then clearly the system will be able to very simply backtrack and see the historical data for each and every individual supplier that's on the system. So it's very quick and easy. It ensures complete compliance. With regards to the payment methods, it deals with checks, backs and prepaid cards, and any other payment method which you guys are using, or any new payment method that is being brought out. So let's have a look at how we do this. If we go onto the software and let's say Amy Corbett comes in, so you click on new purchase invoice because you're going to do a new purchase, and you type in the customer's name, and that will bring up their account. You would then confirm their vehicle registration and get the correct details in there. And if you use a manual ticket system, you can put your ticket number in here. Most of our scrapyards, most of the scrapyards that use Tornado basically use this as a ticket system, so this field isn't required. And you can see here you've got a green light to say that client's compliant. You can see here that a KYC check, a Know Your Customer check, has not been carried out. Incidentally, you can carry this out on all your customers if you so wish. And simply all you do there is type in the metal type, enter the weight that has been bought in, and all you do then is complete the invoice. It says here, are you sure? Please check the amounts. Yes, we're absolutely fine with that. It's put in today's market price for the copper bright wire. Press OK, and it will then ask you, would you like to pay this invoice now? Yes, we want to pay. So with another click, you choose your payment method. It appears that there's a number of invoices that this supplier's had on account, so we're going to pay them all off, input the check number, make the payment, and then we're going to produce the waste transfer document so that and that's consolidated all those invoices all onto one document as well. There's a lot of hidden features, and we've tweaked and developed Tornado to be so simple but also very, very helpful, so it just makes everyone's life a lot easier. It will also print the checks out for you automatically by pressing print waste transfer document and check. You can see the information down here where you've got the check details and the pricing, and we can also deal with the printed stationery for you, get the printed checks arranged for you at a very, very low cost. So that's how we pay people. We'll show you that again. Press new purchase invoice, type in the customer's name, select the account you wish, the registration's in there, say they've bought in some brasserie, enter the weight, enter the price. The pricing, incidentally, can be done either in kilos or in tons. It's entirely up to yourselves. We don't feel it's right that we tell you how you should run your business, and if you've worked in tons for the last 50 years, then, you know, who are we to tell you that you now need to work in kilos? So the system's designed to work how you want it to work and not how we want it to work. So enter in a price there for the brasserie, and away we go. Complete the purchase invoice. Obviously this is just sample data, and then yes, we're going to pay it now. This time you'll see it's just brought forward this invoice, and this time we're going to pay them by BACS, and you can put the BACS reference in and make payment. Incidentally, you can also scan or take a photo using an iPad of the actual check and also the BACS payment reference. However you guys work, again, it's a bespoke installation, so however you operate now, we will incorporate that and make sure it's as simple and as easy to use as possible. Thank you for watching. If there's anything we can ever do for you, please give us a call. We'll come over and see you as soon as possible. Feel free to contact me on 07748 44 44 55. We're here to help in any way that we can, and we look forward to speaking to you. Thanks again for your time.